Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Honor of Kings stuck on loading screen. So the first thing is to start with the basics, that's network and power. Switch networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa, as one player reports. Now make sure your Wi-Fi is switched off, then turn your mobile data off, load the game, then turn your mobile data on while the game is loading. Likewise, free up resource usage, close all unnecessary apps running in the background to ensure enough RAM and processing power. The next step to take is to clear cache and data. On Android, go to settings, go to apps, go to Honor of Kings, tap storage, then clear cache and tap clear data. On iOS, navigate to settings, head over to general, head over to iPhone storage and find Honor of Kings and tap offload app or delete app, then reinstall it. Next step to do is to check server status and game version. The issue may be due to server maintenance or outages, so check official Honor of Kings announcements on social media or community platforms. Ensure you're running the latest versions of the game. If not, uninstall and reinstall from an unauthorized source. An authorized, not unauthorized, so I'm sorry about that. Then you can also try private DNS or a VPN. Now this may help resolve loading issues. Alright. A VPN connection may also bypass regional blocks or network routing problems. The last thing that you can do, which would definitely help you, is to reboot or reinstall the game. Restart your device. A simple reboot can clear temporary issues. And if the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. These can fix corrupted game files. So you can go over this tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.